Mind stuck in a loop? Hit loop pause. Snap once. Name it out loud. Rehashing, worrying, replaying, that thing that keeps going on in your mind over and over. Now tap. Left hand. Thumb to each finger. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both hands on belly. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. 3 slow ones. Now breathe. Loop is paused. Just say, not now. I'm here. That's it. 60 seconds. Do it at the microwave, the mirror, the meltdown. After a week, you'll hit pause without even thinking. Okay, play life now.